This is one of the best exposures of Melange that we can see here along the coast because of the erosion of the waves have cleaned it off. You can see it basically, a Melange consists of two important characteristics: large blocks in a soft matrix. You can see that this matrix is also made of smaller blocks, like these little blocks here, like this block here, like these blocks here, like this block here. And many of these blocks are different compositions. So this block has continued to break up into smaller pieces. You can see, if I can get one of these out, there's a smaller piece right here. This is a smaller piece of that big block. You can see that the longer that it stays in the subduction channel, the more it breaks down. Now this is so well exposed because it landslid from right up there. You can see the landslide scar, and essentially this muddy matrix is very weak, and so these Melanges are very prone to landslides. So it landslid down, and then the waves came in and cleaned it up so we could see the internal structure of what the Melange looks like. Essentially, it's a very thick, what we call fault gouge, where because of the high amount of shear strain happening along a subduction zone, where you're essentially consuming thousands of kilometers of oceanic lithosphere. During that shear, you entrain more and more and more debris. And this stuff, this mud here, is coming from the broken down material that's gone into a subduction zone. So, blocks, matrix. Matrix really soft, blocks really hard. This block is a piece of the Earth's mantle. And the way it got here is that this material came into the subduction zone and broke this material off, which squeezed it back up the subduction zone to the surface.